right, so now we have transitioned to colonial Bethlehem, Pennsylvania. So we're gonna check out some of these areas here and see how life was back in the day. So throughout here, the historic Bethlehem, Pennsylvania, you're going to see how they lived, old societies. You can see old buildings like this one, which are very nice. This is actually part of Moravian College, and it's really nice, beautiful place to walk around and feel a little part of the history here in Pennsylvania, in a decently sized town like Bethlehem. So to really learn about this place, you really need to come here and actually experience all of the tours, experience all of the museums that you have here in Bethlehem. Here's the Moravian Museum of Bethlehem, and throughout all these different houses and different homes that we see, basically they're all from the Moravian people that lived here in Bethlehem, Pennsylvania. So this tour that you can take here in this museum, or this exhibit, is open from Friday to Sunday, 11 to 5 p.m. So you should definitely come check it out if you are interested in checking out the amazing places here in Lehigh Valley, Pennsylvania. So it's not just historic places around here, but there's also great shops. You have the Hotel Bethlehem right there, and great little shops that you can walk around, buy some things.
And the best thing is too, is that we're here in November, so they're just getting started decorating Christmas stuff, which is so beautiful if you look around.
Here we have the dye house. Well, it was a dye house. It's not a dye house anymore, but here they used to dye linen from clothing. They used to dye wood, different colors. So it's pretty cool to be here and see this here in Bethlehem, Pennsylvania. So let me tell you guys, it's pretty cool to walk around here, especially on a day like today, which is like 60 degrees or so. You guys got to come here. You guys got to check it out. You would love to see the historical side of historic Bethlehem, Pennsylvania.